Now, when we have linear equations that have fractions, the first thing we have to do is to find the LCM of those denominators of the fractions. Then we use the LCM to multiply each of the term of that equation to get rid of what? The fraction. That's the first thing to do when you are faced with what? Linear equation with what? A fraction. Now this is WASSCE 2024 September edition. Let's see how we can provide answer to this question 20. We are having the equation x minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2x divided by 4 divided by 3 equals to 5 divided by 6. So we know the LCM is going to be the LCM of 3, 4, 4, 3, and what? 6. Now remember, easiest way we can do that, we look out for a number that can divide all of them. So there's no number that can divide 3, the same time divide 4, right? Good. Then we don't have a number that can divide 4, the same time what? Dividing 6. So we can multiply 2 of them and see if the third one can go. As in 3 times 4, that will give us 12. Is 12 a multiple of 6? If yes, then it means 12 become the LCM. I can also multiply these 2. That will be 18. Is 18 a multiple of 4? Or 4 a factor of 18? No. So if this is multiplied, we will get 24. Is 3 a factor of that? Yes. But between 12 and 24, 12 is going to be the least. It's a least common multiple. That is the LCM. So our LCM is going to be what? 12. So now we multiply each of the term. The term is a complete fraction. So 1, 2, 3. Meaning 12 times x minus 2 divided by 4. 12 times 2x minus 4 divided by 3. And 12 times 5 on 6. We are doing the multiplication because we want to get rid of the fraction. So 4 will go into itself 1, go into 12 3 times. 3 go here 1, goes here 4. 6 go here 1, go here 2. So now we use the factor here to multiply the bracket, meaning 3 into bracket x minus 2 divided by 1 remain the same. 4 into bracket 2x minus 4 divided by 1 remain the same. Then 2 times 5. And that gives us what? 10 divided by 1. So the next thing to do is to expand this bracket. So now to expand this, we know 3 will have to multiply the x, the 2, the 4 will have to multiply the 2x, and the 4. Don't forget this is minus 4. So 3 times x will be giving us 3x. 3 times minus 2, minus 6. Minus 4 times 2x, that will be minus 8x. Minus 4 times minus 4, that will be positive 16. That gives us 10, as we have here. So the first step we did was to multiply through by the LCM. The second term is to expand bracket if any, which we are doing. The third is to group lighten. We can see that the x or the variable, they are all on the left side, so we maintain them. 3x minus 8x, we send the constant to the other side. 10 plus 6 minus 16. So this will be giving us minus 5x equals to 0. We need the x, so we divide both sides by the coefficient. So, okay, let's maintain a minus 5x divided by minus 5, 0 divided by what? Minus 5. So x will be giving you what? 0. So the value of x among here will be the option A as the answer. I guess the concept is clear. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.